the channels. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are learning a TikTok dance. So before we get into it, if you guys happen to like today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so to start this dance off, you're gonna have your feet together like this, and our arms are gonna be down by our sides. And so for our facial expression, we're gonna kind of leave it blank. We're not smiling, we're not giving any crazy facial expressions, we're just gonna leave the face blank. So we're looking like a soldier here, arms are down, feet are together. So for the next part, you're gonna step one foot out, and as you do that, you're gonna put your hand on your waist. So we step out, and then the other hand is gonna go into a fist, and you're gonna kind of flick your hand out like this. So we flick that hand. So our hands look like this, and we're in this position. So we start here, and then we move to here. So we hold here, and we're holding here for not very long. I would give it a couple counts, if that. So we're just gonna be down here for very briefly. We're here, and then we're gonna go to this position. So when we're in this position, you're gonna have the hand on your hip. As you can see, hand is out. So the hand that's on the hip, you're going to move your hips to that side, and you're gonna do like 4 little pulses to that side, the hand that's on the hip. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So taking it from the top, we're here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Next part, you're gonna bring those arms down, right back down to your sides, and you're gonna walk on the spot for 4 counts. So you're gonna walk 1, 2, 3, 4. So we walk on the spot for 4. So from the top, we're here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. But stop right there. There's one little thing we're gonna add. One hand is gonna go on your chest for the last 2 counts. So it's 5, 6, up, 7, 8. So last 2 counts, that hand comes to your chest. So taking it from the top, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part, we're here. You're gonna step 1 foot out, and as you do that, your arms are gonna come out and your elbows are gonna come out. And then you're gonna bring those hands back for 4. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have one side and then the other side. So stepping out, we go 1, 2, and then other side, 3, 4. So what were the counts we just did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So taking it from the top one more time, then we'll add on. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part, we're here. You're going to swing your hips to the other side. So we're here. We're gonna go for 5. So that hand goes on the hip, one hand. We're here, we go 5. And then your other hand, you're gonna be pointing with your index finger, and you're gonna do the shh kind of facial expression. But you're not gonna make the sound, you're just gonna have your finger go here, trying to look like you're doing the shh. And you're here for 6, and you're gonna hold for 7, 8. So we just went from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. Whole thing from the top, and then we'll add on. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. Okay, so next part, you're going to do a step, flick, down, up. I'll break that all down. So we're here. You're going to step on the foot, that heel that's popped up. You're going to step, and you're going to flick with this hand. And as you flick, you're going to look at your hand as you do it. So we're here. We do step, flick, and then you're going to look down at the floor. Arms are going to come down, and then look back up. So going from here, we do step, look at the hand, down, up. So as you do the down, both arms come down, we look down, and then back up. So try it again. Ready, and step, flick, down, up. One more time. Ready, and step, flick, down, up. So taking it from the 1, 2, from there. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, adding a little bit more on. So we just did the 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part, you're going to do a step, touch, step, touch. So just a simple step, touch, touch. But as you do the step, touch, you're going to imagine you're like moving something out of the way. So you're using that arm and that shoulder to really show that you're kind of moving something along or out of the way or whatever it is as you do the step, touch. So going from here, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so really use that arm and if you want the shoulder as well. Okay, taking it from the very top. So starting in the soldier position, here we go. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next part, we're going to take it on a bit of a diagonal, so we're not center, off to the side. You're going to do for 3. Hands are going to be in fists. You're going to switch your hands. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we switch those hands. 1, 2, 3. So as you do that, you're going to kind of pop your chest out as well, bringing those shoulders back. We go 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so next part, you're going to step one foot out to the side, and you're going to bring yourself back to center. So you're going to step out, and then as you do that, you're going to lean to the side and then bring it back to center. So we're here. We just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that upper body is going to lean to the side and then bring it back to center. So for 4, 5. So as you do that, one finger is going to be pointing. So we just did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a little lean back to center. So for 4, 5, and then on count 6, you're going to like tilt your head to the side. So you're going to do like a little bit of like a hip and then bring it back to center. So tilt, center. So that's on count 6. So we just did the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you hold those last 2 counts, just kind of staying here for 7, 8. So taking it from the 1, 2, 3, from there. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're going to take it from the very top, and then we're going to add the last section on, and there's not much left to add on. Just a little reminder that for your facial expression, you're just going to kind of leave it blank. So you're not smiling, you're not really doing anything with the face, just keeping it blank. But in the next section that we add on, there will be a different facial expression, a little bit more energy and happiness. So taking it from the top. Okay, and 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next part. So we just did the 6, hold, 7, 8. We're going to start with, I'm going to break this part down. I'm going to show you guys the hips, and then I'll show you guys the arm movements. So your hips are going to take it to side, side, and then roll the hips. So we take it side, side, roll the hips, and then side, side, roll the hips. So again, take it to one side, other side, roll, side, side, roll. So you're kind of doing like a little mini circle. So we do side, side, circle, and side, side, circle. So we're here. 6, hold, 7, 8. Just the hips. Side, side, roll, and side, side, roll. Okay, so now adding in the arms. Just 6, 7, 8. One hand is going to go on the hip. Other hand is in a fist, and we have it up. So adding that in with the hips, we're going to go side, side, and then roll, side, side, roll. So as you do the roll, you're kind of doing like a little circle with your arm. So side, side, circle, and side, side, circle, and. Let's take it from this part. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So for this section, you want to give a little bit more energy and facial expression so you can really smile, get into it, and have fun with it. So let's take it from this part. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole TikTok dance. We'll run it a couple times, taking it from the very top. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, last time. Let's give it your all. Here we go. Standing tall. No facial expression until the very end. Here we go. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's new dance. Now, if you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys liked today's new video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!